Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts. Hello, checking in on Twitter, GPRO X CHK. So Twitter bouncing off the 50-day moving average support for the second day in a row. It's a bullish reversal hammer. Bulls are trying to establish this new higher low at 1747 and 1748, a bit of a double bottom the past 2 days. So we need a green day to confirm this tomorrow with some follow through, and it is an inside bar as well. So a bull break of 1780 would be a great start to the day, and a close over 18 would be a really bullish day with convincing action that our higher low has been set. So the weekly time frame, again, this 100-week resistance, very key the past 2 weeks. The bulls are doing a good job on the daily time frame. They look just fine at this point, but we need that confirmation, because if we see another red day tomorrow, then this weekly candlestick is certainly going to look pretty weak. And we're going to see an inside bar form on this weekly candlestick more likely than not, which will give us something clear to be watching next week for some signal in direction moving forward, because we need to be cautious after this month bounce. As I keep pointing out, we're likely to form a lower high on this weekly because we broke the higher low on the way down. So we don't know when that's going to be. So we do need to be cautious with these signs of resistance and the rejection. GPRO pulling back, pretty timid pullback at this point, back down to 1087. Next support is 1060. Healthy consolidation at this point, and we'll be looking for a bullish reversal candlestick once consolidation is through and a higher low has been established, but no sign of that yet, so being very patient. Weekly time frame, just like GPRO, or just like Twitter, rejecting from the 100-week resistance, and whether or not we close above the upper Bollinger Band of 1099, we'll certainly make note of that heading into next week. But as of right now, still consolidating, similar to Twitter, but Twitter obviously has the bullish reversal candlestick which has formed, which GPRO does not have that yet. X, same thing, looking for this higher low, and we have a double bottom at 2490 and 2491, inside bar on the daily. Bull break if we break 2577 tomorrow, ideal close over 26, and that would give us confidence that our higher low is then established at 2490. The weekly time frame, after rejecting from the 50-week resistance 3 times, is trying to find a higher low. So pretty much all 3 of these names are doing the same thing. They're following a bull breakout. They're hitting weekly moving average resistance. They're trying to form a higher low on the daily time frame after consolidation, and we need to see follow through from the bulls to be confident that that higher low is established. CHK, higher low, looking to form here at 395 with a double low, inside bar, very similar setup, all 4 of these names. Bull break after 410, and we'll be looking at 418. Bear break after 398, and we're looking down at 395, and then the daily middle Bollinger Band. And the weekly time frame, trying to get over these exponential resistances, and if we do see follow through, and if we can break 418, we'll see a nice bullish MACD cross setting up. And again, we're not going to change this trend. We're going to set a lower high on this bounce and then have to pull back and form a higher low. But there is still some potential for momentum if we can get over these exponential resistances. So that's what we're looking at with a very similar setup on all these names. Patient for bullish reentry on the daily time frame. The market is still extremely strong. We know the market has to see healthy consolidation just like all these names are, but these names are seeing consolidation first. So if the market were to start consolidation, say tomorrow, we would have to factor that in, because that would likely mean that the bulls have a little bit more resistance to work with just because of the correlation with the overall market. So I appreciate you watching. We'll see what the FOMC tomorrow at 2 p.m. Eastern does to the market, and we'll check back in tomorrow night.